You open a Zendesk ticket. You tab to Shopify to check the order. You tab back to write the reply. Now multiply that by 100 tickets a day. This guide shows you how to fix that workflow permanently. For growing e-commerce stores, the daily routine is this. Read the ticket in Zendesk, jump to Shopify to look up the order, jump back, write the reply, repeat all day. The data you need is sitting in 2 different apps, and every switch costs your team time and focus. The official Zendesk and Shopify app is free, and it solves the core problem. You install it from either marketplace, connect your Shopify store, and your agents get a live view of customer order data right inside Zendesk. The integration adds a sidebar to every Zendesk ticket that shows the customer's full Shopify order history, status, shipping details, items purchased, all without switching tabs. Agents get the context they need the moment they open a ticket. Beyond just reading data, agents can act on it, process a refund or cancel an order directly from Zendesk, then respond to the customer in the same window. The entire interaction stays in one place. You can also embed the Zendesk web widget directly on your Shopify storefront. Customers get a support button on any product page, and when they reach out, the conversation lands straight into Zendesk. The native app is a strong foundation, but as your ticket volume grows, some gaps appear. High volumes of order status questions need proactive answers, not just agent visibility. Your help center and internal docs stay disconnected, and at hundreds of tickets a day, agent-led workflows hit a ceiling. One way to extend the native setup is Zapier. You create zaps that link Shopify events to Zendesk actions. For example, when a Shopify order is refunded, automatically create a tagged Zendesk ticket. It is flexible and requires no code, but each new scenario needs its own manual configuration. Eesel AI works as an intelligent layer on top of your Zendesk and Shopify setup. It learns from your past tickets, connects your knowledge base, and helps resolve issues at scale, the same way a human agent would, but without the manual workload. Before your AI ever talks to a live customer, eesel AI lets you run it on past tickets in a private simulation. You see exactly how it would have responded, check the quality, and fine-tune the behavior. So, when it goes live, you already know what to expect. Start a free trial with eesel AI and connect it to your Zendesk and Shopify accounts today. See how many of your tickets can be resolved automatically. No credit card required.